If every morning you feel stiff and you keep saying, I should have started fixing this earlier, this video is for you. I'm going to show you an easy mobility routine that makes you feel younger, move better, and actually enjoy waking up again. So, are you ready to feel like your 20s again? I'm sure that you are. Most people wake up and go straight into their day while their body is still stiff. But when your joints aren't moving well, your energy is lower, your posture suffers, and your body actually feels older than it is. A morning mobility routine wakes up your muscles, improves circulations, and tell your body we are ready for the day. And the best part, you don't need to be flexible or even motivated. You just need a few minutes. And that's not all. For this morning routine, you don't need any equipment, just a little space. Now, I will show you 5 simple exercises and we will start with the most important one, breathing. Before we move, we breathe. Breathing rests the nervous system, lowers morning stress, and prepares your body to move smoothly. So, let's begin with 60 seconds of deep breathing. You can do this in 2 positions, laying on your back or seated comfortably. The most important part, your breath should only go into your stomach, not your chest. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. When you breathe in, the belly should rise. The chest stays still. Breathe is through the nose. Hold for 1 second and then slowly exhale. Before we start with mobility exercise, I have something for you. I have created free private Skool community where you can join and get 2 full morning mobility routines completely free. The full course launches on December 1st. So, if you want to be the first in and you're ready for younger and better mornings, this is your chance to save your spot now. The link is below. I love to see you inside. All right, now let's move into the first exercise. We start from the ground with the ankles. Most people ignore ankle mobility, but it affects your knees, hips, and overall posture. So this is a great way to wake up your lower body. You can do this seated or laying down. All we focus on is moving the ankle, not the whole leg. Our first step will be flexion and extension. Point your toes up toward your head. That's dorsiflexion. Then point them away from you. That's plantar flexion. Move slowly and with control. Don't rush it. Step 2 is circles. Make circles with your foot only from the ankle. Do 5 circles clockwise and 5 counterclockwise. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Now we move to the spine with the alternating spinal twist. This exercise helps unlock your lower back and hips. Start laying on your back, feet flat on the floor, knees bent. Arms can be out to the side for support. Let both knees slowly fall to one side, hold for a second, then bring them back to the center and drop them to the other side. Don't force the stretch. Just let gravity do the work. We will repeat this for 10 twists in total. Now we combine spine extension with hip opening. This is a modified Cobra Stretch with one leg at 90 degrees to the side. It helps open your hips and release tension from the lower back. Start laying on your stomach. Place your hands under your shoulders like in a regular Cobra Stretch. Then bring one leg out to the side at 90 degrees angle, knee bent. Slowly press through your hands and lift your chest upward. Don't force it. Just go as high as feel comfortable. Keep breathing slowly. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. Repeat this movement 5 times each side. Now we move into thoracic rotation, which is the middle part of your spine. This area gets stiff from sitting and affects your posture and breathing, so opening it up makes a big difference. Sit back on your heels in a kneeling position. Place one hand on the floor for support and the other hand goes behind your head. From here, rotate your upper body by opening the elbow toward the ceiling. Try to follow your elbow with your eyes, then slowly return to the start position. We will do 5 reps per side. Keep the movement slow and controlled. The goal is mobility, not speed. For the last exercise, we have one of the most important areas, the neck. Most people carry stress here without even realizing it, and improving neck mobility can help reduce headache, stiffness, and tension. Sit tall with a straight spine, shoulders relaxed. We will start with flexion and extension. Slowly bring your chin toward your chest. Then look up toward the ceiling. Move only as far as it feels comfortable. No forcing. Do 5 reps on each side. Then let's go to side rotations. Slowly turn your head to the right, then to the left. Keep the shoulders still, only the neck moves. Do 10 reps in total. In the end, we will finish with side stretch. Tilt your ear toward your shoulder. Use the hand for a light stretch. No pulling. Breathe deeply and relax into it. Hold for 20 seconds before you change the side. And that's it, your full morning mobility routine. If you do this consistently, your body will start moving like it's years younger. Try this for 7 mornings in a row and let me know how you feel. Thanks for moving with me, and I will see you in the next session. Bye.